So what I'm doing right now is I'm taking this painter's tape and aligning it by the channel for the window. And I'm doing that because when we put the vent window frame assembly in there, we don't want to scratch up our nice paint job because it costed a pretty penny to do. So
Okay, there's that.
okay. Okay.
Okay.
Well, so as much as you're getting it in and getting it out.
Maybe.
I know not much at least.
Alright, so now you need the screws that go into this top piece here. Now we're not going to tighten these down all the way. We're just going to get them in there because they'll need some adjustment and stuff. Where's up here?
It's going in now.
You start to feel tight and you go on top. There you go. That's probably good. Let's do the other one.
And see, that gap is so small. We gotta use an Allen wrench to the ratchet. Go this way or the other.
Hold on. Some extra insurance. You might have to try to do it by hand first, and then crank it. And you might be able to just
like this and just
be
try-
careful not to scratch the paint here. Pull it out if you need to. And we're not tightening it all the way down. What we're doing right now is trying to get it to stay in place. Good? Yeah, that's great. Okay. Now, so the next thing is down here, you've got that post that's right here,
Oh yeah.
right? So we've got that bracket. Yep. And where's the screw that was with that? This one?
I'll show you. Oh, it's hot.
And then there's also the adjuster bolt. And that's what was right here, that adjuster bolt.
It's gotta come down more.
So what we've got to do is reach in there. And this has got to, I think, screw in there. That goes in there?
Yeah.
That goes around from the other side though.
Oh.
And this goes over the top like that.
Yeah.
So, why don't you see if you can reach up underneath here. And this is where I might have to angle this.
Yeah, I can't get it there.
Not enough room?
No. I'm putting. Okay. Am I putting it in like this?
Yes.
Okay, then I want to do a lot more than that.
Well, then we've got to undo this.
Oh man.
Give me that Allen wrench.
Oh yeah, that's all.
Now you try.
Just gotta screw it in there.
Get it in?
No.
Hold on. Take this one out too. So now Dakota is putting in a little screw at the very bottom. This is an adjuster bolt.
See, I can't tell if it's going in straight or not. Oh, oh. Oh, oh.
Take a look.
No, I just think I need to get closer. That's...
All right, so let's take a look at what Dakota did. So first is we got the window in place, and then Dakota needed to come inside here and put this adjuster bolt right. There's a screw that goes on the inside of this and then comes out that hole. So he had to do that. And then once he did that one right there, we did these adjuster bolts that are on the top. Right there. Put those adjuster bolts in. Once those adjuster bolts were in, he put in these two, and then there's a bracket on the inside here. Let's see, there you go. He put that bracket on, and then this plate along with the screw. And then once we were satisfied that everything was in place, we tightened everything down. So Dakota successfully installed the passenger side vent window today. Dakota, how do you feel?
Happy.
Yay!